In this video, I'll show you how to fix an Android phone that won't connect to Wi-Fi. Let's go through 6 methods that usually solve the problem. Method 1. Restart your devices. Restart your Android phone. Restart your Wi-Fi router by unplugging it for 30 seconds, then plugging it back in. Simple reboots fix temporary software or network glitches. Method 2. Forget and reconnect to Wi-Fi. Go to Settings, Network and Internet Wi-Fi. Tap your Wi-Fi network and select Forget. Reconnect by entering your Wi-Fi password again. Method 3. Turn airplane mode on and off. Swipe down from the top of your screen. Turn airplane mode on, wait 10 seconds, then turn it off. This refreshes all wireless connections, including Wi-Fi. Method 4. Reset network settings. Go to Settings, System Reset Options, Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile, and Bluetooth. Tap Reset Settings and confirm. This clears corrupt network settings without deleting your data. Method 5. Update your Android software. Go to Settings, System Update. If an update is available, download and install it. Outdated software can cause Wi-Fi compatibility issues. Method 6. Check router settings and limits. Make sure your router isn't blocking new devices. Log into your router settings and look for MAC address filtering, device limits, DHCP settings. If needed, restart the router or reset it to factory settings. Still not working? Try connecting to a different Wi-Fi network. If your phone connects elsewhere, the issue is with your home router. If it doesn't connect anywhere, the issue may be with your phone's Wi-Fi hardware. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, be sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have questions.